how to write the competition section in business plan. Knowing who your competitors are, how they operate, and the necessary benchmarks are the most fundamental aspects of any business. So, it needs to be added to your business plan. To add a competition section to your business plan, you need to go through the following steps. Number 1. Determining and documenting your business position. Number 2. Determine and draft your competitive advantages. Number 3. Put in the customer's review. Now, let's start with determining and documenting your business position. You need to know your business position in the market and document it properly for this section. Let's check out how to determine your market position. To determine the market position, you need to gather up crucial details like unique selling proposition, price, sales figures, profit margins, distributors, and users for your company and your competitors' companies. Compare that data and put it up on the competition graph. There are the two most reliable ways to determine your position. Number 1, position mapping graph. Number 2, competitive matrix. Let's start with determine and draft your competitive advantages. To determine the competitive advantage, you have to note and add the points where you are doing better than your competition. Note how that bonus point can bring you advantages. To drafting your competitive advantage, you have to note down your bonus points and explain them in detail. At last, put in the customer's review. Find out the reviews and ratings of all the competitors. Add the good, the bad, and the average rating and reviews. To get authentic reviews, you can run surveys or contact agencies. We at Upmetrics providing the built-in templates to write your competitor analysis section that can be added to your business plan by just drag and drop.